511 Sabre 2.0 jacket is our most popular concealed carry jacket and has been engineered with direct feedback from 511 users to provide a covert and stylish appearance that hides a wealth of tactical features. A high-performance microfiber shell and a waterproof, breathable seam-sealed membrane keep you insulated from wind and weather without heating you up. Our patented Quick Zip system provides immediate access to a holstered sidearm, and zipping hand warmer pockets are backup belt system compatible, allowing you to customize your accessories for the mission at hand. Utility pockets at each shoulder and roomy internal pockets offer ample storage space. A secure lumbar pocket offers additional covert storage, and an integrated hood can be rolled up into the collar or removed entirely in warmer weather. Integrated storm cuffs keep out rain and cold, and 3 zip-out ID panels allow you to go from covert to overt in seconds. This is the 511 Sabre 2.0 jacket.
Last 14 years. Today I'd like to introduce you to our tactical apparel line. It's called the IAS. That stands for Integrated Apparel System. It comprises a line of 13 pieces going all the way from a base layer to a shell. Today I'm wearing the Infiltrator, which is the outer shell. It's a Gore-Tex windproof, waterproof outer shell with a very interesting fabric. It's a Gore stretch technology, which helps preserve athleticism and freedom of movement, and also allows you to layer up and layer down. The overall fit of the Infiltrator jacket is closer to the body, designed to be worn underneath body armor, so that you don't have all the excess bulk and weight in traditional Gore-Tex outerwear. Some of the more interesting features of the Infiltrator jacket are the dynamic reach, where there's no seam underneath the armpit, which preserves all of the stretch of the Gore fabric with stretch technology from under the mid forearm down to the waist, and also at the waist it has stretch. So it allows a closer to body fit, a more athletic fit. And then it also has a helmet compatible hood, a halo hood that integrates quite nicely with a tactical helmet, a bump style helmet. We've done some special patterning to make it fit quite ergonomically and really close to that style of helmet. And then stretch panels behind the hood on the back of the neck to allow freedom of movement and enhanced peripheral vision when looking left and when looking right, up and down. Also, we've got pockets that have been strategically placed to be below the primary characteristics of body armor, so that as you're accessing gear, you're not having overlap from body armor. We also have side vents on the jacket called torso flow that are placed below body armor, so that you can vent up or vent down, or vent from the top side here, or conversely up from the waist. The pockets are also lined with stretch mesh, so it can accommodate something as large as, for instance, a 1 liter water bottle can be put right into this pocket and stretched to accommodate that. Overall, those are the primary characteristics of the Infiltrator jacket, new to outdoor research for fall 17, and it's also paired with
a 50-50 nylon cotton blend This fabric is battlefield proven and is the military's go-to choice for uniform wear. The nylon gives unparalleled strength and durability, while the cotton provides breathable comfort. The jacket also features strategically positioned panels of stretch-woven softshell. This allows for a more tailored fit and provides enhanced free movement. The jacket is reinforced with coated neoprene armor plating, which on the shoulders prevents abrasion while wearing a pack. The armor features a laser-cut military MOLLE pattern for clipping on attachments and extra gear. Lastly, the jacket is finished off with YKK premium zippers. The jacket has a ton of pockets, 10 in total. 2 zippered chests, 2 additional chest pockets that are quick access magnetic closure pockets perfect for carrying anything you wish to be concealed and quickly accessible. 2 fully lined hand warmer pockets with 1 concealing a hidden zippered pocket, 1 bicep pocket, 1 lower sleeve concealed pocket, and lastly is an oversized rear zippered kangaroo style perfect for storing extra clothes like gloves or a hat, and even large enough to fit a tablet. To personalize the jacket and make it one of a kind, we added oversized shoulder looper patches and a chest Velcro name tape. Additional features include an anodized aluminum ring for lanyard and other clip attachments, a brushed tricot-lined stand-up collar for comfort and warmth, multiple reinforcement points with bar tacks and gunmetal rivets, dropped back hem for added coverage, and side zippers which provide access to pant pockets and belt-mounted everyday carry. When unzipped, the side zippers provide seated comfort and ventilation. Plus, Amobilis is set to break new ground and be the first performance lifestyle brand to offer half sizes. We call it the 0.5 fit. For all of you that so often fall between sizes, our 0.5 fit is truly an innovative solution. Last but not least, like everything we make, we offer you a lifetime warranty. The Responder Tactical.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.